Downtown Palo Alto, thriving and bustling with energy. Anything you need, everything you want, everything you don't want but need, it's all right here. Over the last couple of years, a lot's changed. One thing for sure, the real estate market is smoking hot. Another thing for certain is that this condo will not last. Hi, I'm Sam Spinella, your trusted real estate guy with Spinella Group at Spoke Real Estate. I love downtown Palo Alto, and you're gonna love this condo. I can't wait to show you. Let's go take a look. Located in downtown Palo Alto, this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo is the best you will find and cannot be in a better location. It has 1,334 square feet of living space. In-unit washer and dryer is in a secure private building with an elevator and 2 parking spaces and a storage unit. Perfectly set up for today's work-from-home environment. Close the door behind you at the end of the day, forget about work altogether. Just steps out the front door, you have the best dining, the best shopping that's world-renowned in downtown Palo Alto. Palo Alto is a charming combination of small-town accessibility and urban ambiance. Outdoor cafes, tiny coffee shops, bookstores, mom-and-pop specialty shops, national chains, art galleries, 2 movie theaters, and numerous restaurants to attract shoppers, eaters, and entertainment seekers of all ages. This is all in addition to the world-renowned Stanford University and shopping center. Oh, and don't forget the nightlife. Downtown Palo Alto has got the best nightlife you will find in all of Silicon Valley. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions about this property or any other, please feel free to reach out to me directly anytime. My team and I are always here and happy to help.